Welcome back to Ultra Auto Motorhome. Today we're looking at something that truly pushes the boundaries of what a luxury motorhome can be. The 2027 Kenworth W900 Sovereign Motorhome is not just an RV. It's a massive two-level luxury mansion on wheels designed for travelers who want ultimate space, power, and prestige on the open road. Built on the legendary platform of the iconic Kenworth W900 and engineered by the renowned American truck manufacturer Kenworth. This motorhome combines the strength of a commercial truck with the comfort of a luxury home. From the moment you see the 2027 Kenworth W900 Sovereign Motorhome, its presence is impossible to ignore. The exterior design stays true to the bold and classic styling that made the W900 famous around the world. The long aerodynamic hood, the massive chrome grille, and the signature vertical exhaust stacks immediately give it the commanding look of a powerful highway machine. However, unlike a traditional truck, the rear section transforms into a beautifully integrated luxury motorhome body that stretches across two levels. The front features modern LED headlights and chrome accents that reflect the vehicle's premium status. Large side mirrors and advanced camera systems provide excellent visibility despite the vehicle's enormous size. The body panels are smooth and refined, giving the motorhome a sleek appearance while maintaining the rugged strength that Kenworth trucks are known for. Along the sides, massive panoramic windows allow passengers to enjoy incredible views while traveling. The vehicle also includes several large storage compartments built directly into the lower body, providing space for travel equipment, outdoor furniture, and adventure gear. A fully automated side awning extends with the push of a button, instantly creating a comfortable shaded outdoor living area beside the vehicle. At the rear, the Sovereign Motorhome features a stylish LED light bar, integrated ladder access, and a rooftop deck area. This upper deck space is one of the highlights of the design, offering seating areas and open-air relaxation zones where travelers can enjoy sunsets or starry nights during their journeys. Stepping inside the 2027 Kenworth W900 Sovereign Motorhome is like entering a luxury apartment designed for life on the road. The interior immediately impresses with its spacious layout and high-end materials. Premium leather seating, elegant wood finishes, and polished metal accents create a warm yet sophisticated atmosphere. The main living area on the lower level is designed to be the heart of the motorhome. A large modular sofa sits in front of an enormous ultra-high-definition display that functions as the central entertainment hub. A premium surround sound system creates a cinema-like experience for passengers who want to relax after a long day of travel. The living area also includes smart ambient lighting that can change colors and brightness to create different moods. Next to the lounge area is a beautifully designed kitchen that rivals many modern apartments. It includes a full induction cooktop, convection oven, refrigerator, wine cooler, and deep stainless steel sink. The countertops are made from durable stone surfaces, giving the kitchen a luxurious appearance while remaining practical for everyday cooking. Large cabinets and hidden storage spaces allow travelers to carry plenty of supplies for extended road trips. One of the most exciting features of the Sovereign Motorhome is the staircase that leads to the second level. This upper floor is designed as a private luxury retreat. The main bedroom includes a large king-size bed surrounded by soft lighting and elegant storage cabinets. Large windows provide beautiful natural light during the day and incredible views of the surroundings when parked in scenic locations. The upper level also includes a private lounge area where travelers can relax with books, enjoy coffee, or simply take in the scenery from above. Smart glass windows allow occupants to control transparency, ensuring privacy whenever needed. The bathroom area is equally impressive. It features a spacious glass-enclosed shower, a modern sink with integrated storage, and high-quality fixtures throughout. Heated floors and advanced water management systems ensure maximum comfort even during long off-grid adventures. Of course, a motorhome built on the Kenworth W900 platform is not only about luxury, it's also about serious performance. Under the hood, the Sovereign Motorhome is powered by a powerful heavy-duty diesel engine designed for long-distance hauling. This engine produces massive torque, making it capable of moving this enormous vehicle smoothly and confidently across highways and mountain roads. The motorhome is equipped with a reinforced chassis and advanced air suspension system that provides remarkable stability and ride comfort. Even with its large size, the vehicle feels surprisingly controlled and smooth on the road. Long highway journeys become relaxing rather than tiring thanks to the refined suspension setup. Driver assistance technology also plays an important role in making this giant motorhome easier to operate. The vehicle includes adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning systems, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system that helps drivers maneuver safely in tight areas. The cockpit area is designed with the driver in mind. A large digital dashboard provides navigation, vehicle diagnostics, and entertainment controls in a clean and modern interface. Comfortable air suspension seats ensure that drivers remain relaxed even during long hours behind the wheel. Now let's talk about pricing. A vehicle as unique and luxurious as the 2027 Kenworth W900 Sovereign Motorhome sits firmly in the ultra-luxury motorhome category. Industry estimates suggest that the starting price could begin around $1 million, while fully customized versions with bespoke materials, advanced technology packages, and luxury upgrades could easily exceed $2 million. For buyers looking for the ultimate statement in luxury travel, the 2027 Kenworth W900 Sovereign Motorhome offers something truly extraordinary. It combines the strength and reliability of a legendary truck with the comfort and sophistication of a modern luxury mansion. For travelers who want to explore the world without leaving behind the comforts of home, this incredible two-level motorhome proves that adventure and luxury can exist together on the open road. Thanks for watching Ultra Auto Motorhome, and I'll see you on the next journey.